Storm damage ahead. Use caution. So, looks like I'm at the right place for where the tornado hit. I'm going to be helping out today, metal detecting for those that wanted help. Hopefully I can recover some of the jewelry that these guys lost, and I would have no clue if the tornado, threw it a mile away, 2 miles away, or what. So I'm hoping at least they can point me in the right direction of where I would need to go. So I'll record when I see more damage, which it looks like I'm coming up on some of it. There's a little bit there. Oh, there it is there. I see it. Alright, so I'm going to go down there and see if they need some help. There's definitely a lot of damage down there. That's going to be, I guess, the first place to start. Because I don't know who asked for the metal detectorist. I'll definitely let you guys know what I find if I do find anything. Hopefully, like I said, I can find some things for them, some jewelry. Now I just gotta find somebody that can help me out. Okay, here's some people here. I can ask these guys. Alright, so Ankle Biter here. I've been here for quite some time now trying to help them out with finding any lost jewelry from the tornado that hit down here in Elon, Virginia. These guys reached out to metal detectorists and they asked for metal detectorists to help. I haven't really been able to find any jewelry, but I did find a kid's older die-cast horse, a little broken. Found lots of jewelry, coins. I did happen to find a key, so hopefully that's somebody's key, and I found a battery. So I'm taking a little bitty break and then I'm going to head back out, and I'm hoping I can at least recover one piece of jewelry for these guys. I did get permission to go all the way up and across, and I guess what happened is the tornado came from that direction there and just kind of worked its way along this way and went that way. Someone said that they found a picture of this family right here 8 miles away. Which the paper, I'm guessing, would fly a lot farther, but I'm hoping that the jewelry and the coins and that kind of stuff didn't go as far. But that's about it. Alright, later. Finally found a piece of jewelry for him. Woohoo! Yay! Just found a medal. Sweet! Alright, found another piece for him. I did find another one. It looked like it was a button, but I forgot to do a video of that. So I think that's 4 things now I found, so that's pretty cool. I'm happy I can help them out. Alright, that's it for me for today. I did find 4 items for them, so that's kind of cool. Found a bunch of pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, that kind of thing. Some were buried, others were on top, but I will definitely be back here again tomorrow. Hopefully I can find some more items for them, and hopefully I can bring a smile to them. Alright, I'm out. Later.